everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your home screen layout. Now you can go into the settings here and stuff, but the best way to fix this is just reset everything. So what you want to do is just go to the top, go to settings, scroll on down to apps, locate apps here, scroll on down to One UI Home, One UI Home here, select this. Then go on down to storage. Go to clear data. Go to delete. Now this is going to reset your user interface back to the original. And you're going to see like this is how it was when you first got the phone. And then you can go back into here and you can start adding things to your home screen. Like here's Facebook. I don't think you can just drag it on Samsung here for some reason. You have to go to add to home screen. And boom, this is back on there. So you're going to have to do that with these different apps and your different widgets. So if it was messed up before, it should fix it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.